So today we're going to talk about the HydroClean fill valve. HydroClean's float lock allows you to detect leaks by locking it in the off position while your tank is full. If you come back a half hour later and the water level's down, it tells you your flapper is bad. HydroClean has this green mini valve here, and what that does is it allows you to adjust the amount of water that's going down to your toilet bowl. So what a lot of people don't realize is when you flush the toilet and you see that water level rising, you see that water level rippling, what's happening is every 15 seconds you see that ripple, it's a quart of water that's going down the drain. So by adjusting this, you can balance it so that when the tank's done filling, the bowl fills up to the proper level and you can start saving up to 5 quarts of water per flush. Right out of the box, you can start saving water. HydroClean is very easy to adjust. It's a simple quarter turn. You can pick it up, lock it into place, and you can make all the adjustments in the tank, even under water pressure. So HydroClean also detects leaks. The way that it does that is when the valve's in the off position, air accumulates inside of the chamber. So when the valve first comes on, you get those air bubbles shooting through the jets. That makes a little sound. Now you don't notice that when you have the background noise of the toilet flushing. However, if no one flushed the toilet, it signals your flapper's leaking. HydroClean installs without tools. Our smart nut clicks like a gas cap and prevents you from over tightening.